In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a box in Google Sheets. A box, in this context, is a rectangular shape you can place on top of your spreadsheet to call attention to key information, label a section, or create a simple graphic. We'll build it using the drawing tool so you can style it and add text. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google's homepage. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account so you can access your files. In the top right, click the small grid icon, the Google Apps menu, and choose Sheets. That opens the Google Sheets home screen. Next, open the spreadsheet where you want the box to appear. Once your document is loaded, look along the top menu bar and click Insert. From that menu, choose Drawing. This opens the drawing editor in a new window on top of your sheet. Inside the drawing editor, look for the Shapes button on the toolbar. It looks like a circle overlapping a square. Click it, then move your cursor to the Shapes section in the drop-down. From there, select the basic square or rectangle option. Now, draw the box. Click and drag on the canvas to create your shape. If you want a perfect square, hold the Shift key while you drag. You can adjust the size by dragging the corner handles and rotate it using the small circular handle above the shape. To style it, use the toolbar. The paint bucket sets the fill color, the pencil sets the border color, and border weight controls the outline thickness. Choose colors and a border that make your box easy to see without covering your data. To add text inside the box, simply double-click the shape and start typing. You can format the text using the font, size, color, alignment, and bold or italic controls at the top of the editor. If the text doesn't fit, resize the shape or reduce the font size until it looks right. When you're happy with the box and the text, click Save and Close in the top right of the drawing window. Your box is now inserted into the sheet as a movable object. You can drag it to the exact spot you want, pull the corners to resize, or double-click it later to reopen the editor and make changes. That's it. You've added a box to Google Sheets using the drawing tool, complete with custom styling and text.